Hey guys, how are you? Happy Sunday. I am grocery shopping today to get the things that I need for the week that will help with the anti-inflammatory diet. So I'm going to finish food shopping, and when I get home, I'm going to show you what I got and we'll have a fun week together. All right guys, we are home. Excuse the air fryer. I'm going to be using that for dinner tonight. So grocery haul. Before I start though, I did get a package from Amazon. I have to show you what I ordered. Let me get into it. I found, this is the most cool thing. Let me just start off by saying, I have been looking for a new pair of Ray-Ban sunglasses. And doesn't this look like Ray-Ban when you look quick? It's not. It's a dupe from Amazon. It's called Pro Acme. I'm telling you what, they have sunglasses. I would venture to say that they're made by Ray-Ban, or at least in the same company, and they just put a different name on it. Because these things, if they come out exactly the way I think they will, it will be like a Ray-Ban. Let me get a scissor. Hold on. So I'm going to cut it open. Let's take a peek. I got two different ones. So what I can tell you off the bat is this. Look at this. With a carabiner. So you can put it on the inside of your work bag. It looks like Ray-Ban. The case feels like the Ray-Ban ones that I have. The snap is nice. Look at this. This looks like Ray-Ban. It's literally the same packaging. I don't know. And it came like Ray-Ban. All right, let's take a peek. Oh my gosh. And I ordered the 52 millimeter because I have a very small face. For those that know me in real life, you know the camera always makes you appear larger. I'm kind of a petite thing. All right, let's open this up. I can't even believe. This is insane. Guys, you're not going to believe it. And it's packaged so nicely. Okay. You tell me that doesn't look like Ray-Ban. Just tell me. Just tell me. You tell me that doesn't look like a Ray-Ban pair of sunglasses. Let me tell you what. I have my blue pair. I've had one like these. I've had pink. I've had almost every kind. And I kid you not, the weight is Ray-Ban. Oh my gosh, guys, these are $12. Tell me, shh, from far away, who makes these sunglasses? I'm not even gonna look at you. From far away, who makes them? Look at the.
Eric Estrada.
No, look at the top of the sunglass. What does that say?
Oh, Ray-Ban.
Okay, they're not. They're by Pro Acme, and they were $12.
Potential infringement there
From
on
Amazon.
The logo. Potential.
$12.
All
They're over $200. Ray-Ban.
All that means is these people.
Look at the kit. It's exactly Ray-Ban.
They're gonna get all Ray-Ban's traffic.
I was just telling everybody. And I got another pair. Wait, listen.
Do you need my license, registration,
No,
and insurance?
but I was telling everybody that they're probably all made in the same factory. Okay, let's try the other ones on. Could you believe that? Look at that. $12 on Amazon.
One of my old jobs.
Yes, Nelly, $12.
Managers would sit there with glue putting Oakley on a.
Okay, let's do the next one. Jess, this was $12 on Amazon. 12. Let's do the next one. This is absolute craziness. Hi, Nelly and Rhubarb. You guys on the TV?
Nelly wants you to try to.
All right, so the next box is the same thing. Comes with the same. Woo! It came with a tool. What's this tool?
That's to break into people's cars.
No, you know what this is? This is to adjust it. Hold on. It is. It's a tiny little screwdriver. Look at that. Okay, $12. And this is metal. And it's dual-sided, so there's two kinds. I am absolutely blown away by this. Same packaging. This one has the gradient lens. Look in the camera.
Would you get these in a sale rack at clearance? Where they all come from?
Amazon, $12.
Oh, I thought they came.
Look at this. Look at with the gradient.
I thought they came with the groceries.
I can't believe this.
Don't you love her haircut? I just love it. I love it.
Well, I got stuck in the rain. You do love it?
I love it.
Thank you.
Love
I love it.
I love it.
I cannot believe these are $12. I just cannot believe. Compared to 200 and change. And you thought it said Ray-Ban, didn't you?
Nah, I figured it didn't because of the way you. With the whole
But
approach.
just look at me a minute. Does it look like it would say Ray-Ban? You wouldn't know.
It looks like the ones Eric Estrada wears.
Those were Ray-Bans.
Yeah.
But let me ask you a question. Come here, look at
Me?
this.
You asked me a question.
Stand right there. Without knowing.
Yes, I would assume so because that is
That's their
if
logo.
not the only logo I've ever seen.
This is their logo.
No one ever did it as good as them to be recognized as well.
But how awesome.
Yeah, now it doesn't say Ray-Ban.
Because you know now.
So,
If you were just to just glance
so
at
that means
it.
I got to stay 6 feet away from her at all times with the Ray-Bans, unless I come up close and realize
I just think it's wild.
those aren't Ray-Bans. You know, I noticed those are.
And the certificate of quality and authenticity. You tell me from far away that doesn't look like it says Ray-Ban. Crazy. All right, let's get on to the grocery haul. I'm sorry, this sweatshirt is driving me nuts. So, all right, tonight that spaghetti squash is going to be cooked, or I was thinking maybe to do sweet potatoes. I had the worst back pain last night. It topped every other thing that I've had. It pinnacled last night, and I'm starting to think it was either all of the processed foods I was on, or I don't know if I have a gluten allergy. I don't know. I had some wheat yesterday, actually twice yesterday, and the back pain was unbearable. I was on the verge of crying, and if you know me, I'm not a crier. I took some Advil, I put the heating pad on, nothing helped. So I am trying, especially this week, I want to eat as close to whole foods as I can with no seed oils, none of it. So a lot of whole foods. So what I got was sweet potatoes, about 4 cucumbers, celery, blueberries, a bag of carrots, bananas, roasted red peppers in water, queen olives, because I'm a queen and I like olives, some no salt beets, water chestnuts, bean sprouts. That's going to go in the stir fry that I made the other night. You all saw the shrimp, the rice, and all that, but I'm not going to be using rice. It'll be cauliflower rice. I'm trying to stay away from anything that will inflame me. Some of the proteins are, I've been watching a lot of anti-inflammatory videos lately, the past couple nights, and a lot of people love this product, Amy Lou. So this Amy Lou product is the apple and Gouda chicken sausage. No nitrates, pork-free, gluten-free, and no seed oils. Do you want me to tell you what's in this? I'm gonna. Chicken raised without any antibiotics. Apples, Gouda cheese. Oh, that sounds so good. Extract of rosemary, kosher salt, water, cane sugar, vinegar, and beef collagen, which is the casing. That's it. So I'm gonna have this with, I got 2 big things of eggs over here. We're gonna make some egg bites. I also picked up sweet Italian chicken sausage with kale. That looks good too. Ground turkey. Some ground beef burgers. These are 85% lean. And also Amy Lou makes meatballs. So tonight on top of that, I'm gonna make a little bit of Alfredo sauce and put the chicken meatballs on top. I think that's a really yummy thing. Dairy I know is inflammatory, but we can shred this up. A little pinch in the egg bites isn't gonna hurt anybody. Lactose-free yogurt, if I choose to have it. Honeydew, zucchini, and this is like, I'm so excited to try this. Califia Farms almond creamer with no oils, no gums, none of that, no carrageenan, none of that inflammatory stuff. And this is sweetened with cane sugar, but it's only a little bit. It's at the bottom of the list. It's 15 calories for a tablespoon. It's got 3 carbs, obviously, because it's almonds, and I'm gonna try it. This is what it is. Sometimes I like tuna fish and I like dill relish rather than the sweetened version. There's no oil. So that was something nice. I got this brand of vegetables, Pick Sweet. I love it because it has no stems, and I feel like the quality, believe it or not, of the broccoli is very good. I also got 2 of these. This is gonna go a little bit in the Alfredo with that, with the meatballs. And then I bought another bag to put in our egg bites. I think that's it. Everything else I got is inflammatory. So if they want to have it, they can. For me, I'm going to stick with this. Fruit, vegetables, the good proteins, and see where we're at. Because, yeah, I got to get rid of this pain. It's just literally driving me nuts. And if it doesn't go away after a couple weeks, and it still remains after me eating this way and doing all the things I need to do, then it's time for the MRI, because I can't live this way. And I had it in a mild form before I started that processed foods plan, but it just pinnacled, and I can't help to say that it was that, because everything in it except 1 meal a day was processed, highly processed, and it was bioengineered and all the other things. So again, I'm not bashing it. If it works for you and you love it, I'm happy for you. It seems like for me, it caused like this flare up, and I don't know. Do I have arthritis? Is it the food I eat? Is it a combination? I don't know, but I got to figure it out. So anyway, that's my grocery haul, my sunglass haul. And thank you for watching. I'll see you during the week. We'll make some fun recipes, and I'll do what I eat in a day videos. And we're going to do this together, guys. We are doing it together. All right? I'll see you in the next video. Love you. Bye.